Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Brisbane Magistrates Court. Client's been charged with repeat unlicensed driving. So on this occasion he'd simply forgotten to renew his licence, but because he had previous, the police for whatever reason deemed it appropriate to charge him as a repeat offender. If that repeat offender element isn't present, the worst case scenario is a 6-month loss of licence, but there's no minimum, meaning that I ordinarily get a fine only. However, if the police do insert the repeat offender element, there then becomes a mandatory minimum disqualification of 1 month. I did try to negotiate with the police to get them to drop that, but they weren't interested, and the reason being my client was charged with a similar offence about 6 months ago. So, you know, I can't expect the police to unreasonably do what I asked them to do, and I guess it would have been unreasonable for them if I had have got an easy yes. So the short version was today, worst case 6 months, but as I always say, there is that general discretion to give up to a lifetime loss of licence. Mandatory minimum 1 month, and this was his 4th unlicensed driving charge, and the most recent being 6 months ago. I obviously prompted the client to give me the information I needed about him and his family situation, what happened on the day in question, the difficulties him and his family are going to suffer while he's off the road. He's self-employed, and his business is the type of business that services the greater Queensland, so he's on the road a lot. So every day he was off the road, his business was going to suffer. So my job was to try and get this thing down as low as possible, the lowest possible being 1 month. And as I said, given this was his 4th offence, it wasn't going to be an easy task. But that said, as I always do, I made forceful submissions to the magistrate about my client, his family, why he should be treated differently to the other defendants appearing at court today. I got him to take a number of steps. I gave him a template to give to referees to guide them through what the magistrate needed to hear, etc. The short version, I got the minimum 1 month. As I said, my forceful submissions did persuade the magistrate, notwithstanding the previous offending. So 1 month, that starts today. Client gets his licence back in 1 month, 1 calendar month's time. There was a modest fine, and that was it. So client's happy, wife's happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman. Thanks for watching.
Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man.